Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial video on how to log into and navigate on Purple Mash. Here you can see I've typed Purple Mash into a search engine and I'm going to click on the first result, purplemash.com. Now on this screen we want to click on Find My School's login page. And I'm going to type St Osyth or St Osyth postcode into bar at the top and select St Osyth Church of England Primary and go to School Portal. Here you need to type in your username and password that was sent for your child on email. The teachers would have sent these out by Friday the 8th. When the pupil has logged in, this is the main home screen that you will see on Purple Mash. You can already see there is an alert here. Alerts are quite important. As soon as your child has been sent a task to complete or an email or any notification, it will go on here. I can see here that an email has been received, a to-do has been set, and another to-do, and a comment has been posted on a blog. I will quickly go through on how to access all of these. First of all, I'm going to show you how to open, complete, and save a to-do that has been set by a teacher. So first of all, I'm going to click Go To, and it will open the task. Any tasks would have been explained to the pupil during the live session. Make sure pupils are watching the live session or the recorded version of that lesson before opening the task, and then they will understand what to do. So here is a worksheet, and there's some instructions on how to answer the worksheet and use this software. But if the child clicks on the screen, pens come up and they can write on the sheet. As you can see, the pen is quite fat, so we can change the size of it. Using the settings button, we can change the size here. So if the perimeter was 4, which it's not, we can write it in the box, like so. You can also click on the grey area and we can insert a text box to write in. Let's try that again. So I can drag a text box in. Now I can write 4 centimetres in there. So there's 2 ways of being able to write on a worksheet. When we have finished and we want to save the work, we go to click Exit and Save and Exit. It will save it automatically. And this is the to-do that I've just done, the Monday, the 11th of Jan maths, and next to it, it's got an option to continue the work because I haven't finished, and then hand it in. When I click Hand In, you can leave a note for your teacher. And now the work has been sent back to the teacher. Some of the to-dos, such as quizzes, as soon as they have been completed and closed, they will automatically be sent to the teacher. You won't need to physically click Hand In. Now I'm going to quickly show you how to use To Email. You will see this pupil has already received an email. So I'm going to click Go To, and it will open the To Email program within Purple Mash. I can double click on the email, and then I can write a response. The email interface on Purple Mash is completely secure, and the pupils are allowed to email each other only within their class, and they can email staff. So now that email has been sent back to the teacher. To find To Email, when an email hasn't already been sent, you go to Home, Tools, and it's under the tab Communication and Sharing, and the app is called To Email. And again, we're back to the To Email screen, and I can use the tab at the top to compose a new email. The staff at St Osyth also thought the Sharing tab is a really fantastic way of pupils being able to talk to each other and share any queries they have. So we've created some display boards where children's fantastic work can be displayed by the teacher. So there'll be one for each class. And also the blogs. Just to show you an example of a blog. This is the upper school blog that we've got running at the moment. On this upper school blog, we've got 2 posts already that you can see have been quite popular by some of the children who have been commenting, asking questions about things that they might have been finding tricky with their home learning, and also just giving them a forum to be able to have conversations with each other at this difficult time when we all are at home. I hope this tutorial has helped a little bit. If you have any more questions about how to use Purple Mash, please don't hesitate to contact the teachers at school. Happy Purple Mashing!